In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a border in Notion. Whether you're organizing a project or just beautifying your workspace, adding borders can significantly enhance the visual appeal and clarity of your pages. To start off, make sure you've opened your Notion workspace and navigated to the page where you'd like to add a border. It's really important to have your content ready and organized because we're going to integrate the border as part of your existing layout. Now, borders in Notion aren't a built-in feature, but don't worry, we'll use some clever formatting tricks to achieve a similar effect. Begin by selecting the section where you'd like to apply the border effect. This could be around text, images, or even an embedded block. You'll be utilizing the callout block, which is a handy tool in Notion's arsenal. Click on the button or simply type a / to bring up the block options, then search for the callout block. Once you find it, click to insert it into your page. The callout block stands out initially with a default icon and background color. You might want to clear the icon for now by clicking on it and selecting Remove, just to give your border a cleaner look unless the icon serves a specific purpose. Next, think about the aesthetic you're aiming for. If the default background color doesn't align with your vision, feel free to change it. You can do this by clicking on the 6 dots to the left of the callout block, selecting Color, and then choosing both the background and font colors that match your design theme. This small customization helps to set the tone for your content while forming the base of your border. Now that your callout block is in place, you need to adjust its size and shape to create a convincing border. Carefully drag the edges of the callout block to enclose the content it's meant to highlight. This part may require a bit of patience as you align everything just right. Take the opportunity to preview how it all fits together. The goal is to ensure there's enough padding around your content, giving a neat and orderly appearance. Remember, if you're working with a more complex page structure, you can repeat this process, adding multiple callout blocks to create borders around various sections. Customize as needed by experimenting with different colors and sizes to find what suits your theme best. To wrap things up, review your entire page and adjust any spacing inconsistencies. Borders can add a professional touch, particularly when used with intention and symmetry. Congratulations, you've now successfully added borders to your Notion page using callout blocks. With practice, this technique can be a game changer for creating organized and aesthetically pleasing pages. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.